Hello and welcome to another Swift Sensors tutorial video. In today's video we're going to take a look at how to switch a bridge from an Ethernet connection over to a Wi-Fi connection all through the UI. The first step is going to be choosing the bridge that you want to switch from Ethernet over to Wi-Fi and confirm it is online and currently connected to Ethernet, which you will note in the top right hand corner of the screen. Next, we'll go ahead and choose the gearbox located on the top right hand corner of the UI and choose the Wi-Fi option. From here, we'll go ahead and start a Wi-Fi scan in which it will pull up all of the available networks to that bridge. From this point, we'll go ahead and choose the network that we want to join and hit the arrow on the bottom of the screen. Now you'll notice that it will have the Wi-Fi network confirming the one that you want to join, along with the current signal that the bridge is getting and a few save options, and it will prompt you to enter in the password. Please note, if you do get the password wrong, it will not let you know here, so you may have to try entering in the password a few times if you're having issues connecting the bridge to Wi-Fi. Once we've entered in the password, we'll go ahead and click the checkbox here at the bottom of the screen. And from here, we'll go ahead and unplug the Ethernet cable currently in the bridge. And once we've done that, it should take upwards of about 30 seconds, and it will go ahead and switch over from an Ethernet connection to a Wi-Fi connection that you chose. If you do have any issues and you're waiting several minutes and you notice that it has not switched over yet, please note that password could have been entered in incorrectly, and it is definitely worth going back and making sure that you did choose the correct network along with entering in the correct password. Once you've done that, we can go ahead and wait here just a couple more seconds, and it will switch over from Ethernet over to Wi-Fi. Please make sure that at this point you have unplugged the Ethernet cable from the bridge. If you do not unplug the Ethernet cable from the bridge, it will automatically go ahead and choose the Ethernet cable over Wi-Fi every single time. So as you can see here, it's already gone ahead and switched over to Wi-Fi. I currently have 5-bar signal, which is the best signal I could possibly get, and it will say the network that you are currently connected to. For more information, please make sure to go to www.swiftsensors.com.